Hey there, it's Nina, and if you're like me, in your 40s, perimenopausal, someone who is juggling a lot in her life right now, your work, family life, obligations, commitments, hormones, this is for you. You might be stretched a little thin. You might be running low on energy and wondering how to move forward in your business or your creative venture with the energy and love and dedication that you actually really want to be bringing to it. And that's really hard when you're feeling flat and exhausted. And that was exactly where I was. And this is why I have created this business reset workshop. It's not just another course to catch up on. It is a 3-hour deep dive. It is a guided process. It's a chance for you to kind of like exhale within yourself, within your business. It gives you a chance to get really, really honest with where you're at, with what you have capacity for, and where you actually want to take your business in the future, and realistically how long that's going to take. What is the honest version of the trajectory of that business? Which means that we are then going to find a solution, a structure that is going to fit you specifically, you and your business specifically. Because let's be honest, this is your life and it needs to fit into your real life, not your pretend life. That's what I was doing for way too long. I had this picture of what this ideal life would look like and that I would have all this time to commit to my business. And the honest reality of that is that's not what I had capacity for. And so when I took a real look at how much time and capacity I had, I got very clear on what it is that I was able to do in any given season. And so this is what I want to be sharing with you. It's no fluff. It's no hustle. I'll be blatantly honest with you. I'm not the 6-figure earner here. I'm just going to share with you practical journaling prompts and practices that have really helped me feel a lot more easeful in my business and my business process, and setting goals for myself and my business. In other words, we're just looking for clarity, simplicity, and an aligned next step. So if you've been feeling a little stuck, if you've been feeling a little overwhelmed, and you've been feeling like you maybe been spinning on your own wheels, then this workshop is probably a good option for you. In this reset, you're going to get support, obviously, from me. You're going to also get support from others in the community so that you really realize that you're not alone and that there is support and guidance from others. And sometimes that's just a listening ear. Sometimes it's advice. Sometimes it's empathy. But when we realize we don't have to go through this process by ourselves, that alone can take a lot of weight off our shoulders. And yes, just to let you know that the workshop is recorded. So if you can't join us live, you can still get the recording. However, the benefits obviously are if you are there live, because you can ask me questions, you're able to interact with other people, and you're able to get the benefits of actually sitting down at your desk and putting the structure in place without any distractions. So I really hope you're able to join us. All the information is in the descriptions below. If you have any messages, leave me a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.